So guys, today we're going to see about Matplotlib library. So Matplotlib is also one of the library which is using in data science. So this is mainly using for data visualizations. Okay, so just see the output. There are many graphs are there, right? Bar chart, histogram, scatter plot, and line plot. So these are the plots which are drawn using by Matplotlib library. So Matplotlib means mathematical plotting library, and its most powerful library is widely used for data visualization. So data visualization means you want to see the data in a graphical format. Okay, then, so this is essential for data science for exploring and analyzing and presenting the data effectively. So first you have to install the pip install matplotlib in command prompt. Okay. So the next one is, yes, why do we use pandas in prayer? Why do we use, what is the purpose of pandas library?
Data cleaning, data formatting.
Yes, yes. So we are using for data manipulations and data analysis, and the Matplotlib, which is used for data visualization. So this is the data visualization tool. So here we given matplotlib.pyplot. So shortly, the alias name is PLT. For using pandas read CSV functions, you can read the data set. Why we are using head function here? Is why we are using head function?
To display the first five rows.
Yeah, yes, you're right. So the next one is, so here is the graph, histogram graph is there. So it's like a similar like a bar chart. So all the bars are connected together. And I'll explain you, just listen. So we want to find the age. So first we subtract the 2026 minus year of birth column. So then when we get the age column. So the figure function which helps to figure size, the 10 is width, 5 is height. So the height is 5 and the width is 10. So the next one is hist function which helps to convert into histogram graph. So just listen. So here I am applying the data. So age column, I'll explain you later bins. Okay. So the color is sky blue and the age color is what? What's the edge color of the graph? So it's a black color. So in title
Black.
function, yes, in title function, whatever you give inside the function, it displays as a title. If you are given X label, it displays as a X axis, and if you give one Y label, it displays as a Y axis. So if by default the grid is true, it automatically display as a grid pattern. So then only I given as a by setting false. So now the grid will hide. So the plot show means it display the graph. So just listen. So this is the command line. So just listen. So age value count. So see, 50 age candidates are 89 members are there, and 127 candidates are only one person has a 127 age, and another one person has a 126 age. So this is helps to draw the graph or histogram. So just listen. So I'll explain you what is a bins. So guys, in your home, you people are have a egg folders, right? So how many spaces for holders for eggs?
12 will be there.
Yes. If it's possible to hold 15 eggs, is if it's possible to hold
Not
15 eggs,
possible.
yes, we can give like place 10 eggs is possible to place the holder.
Yes.
Yeah. So the same thing. So this is the 20 bins. You kindly check. I think here's a 13 bins are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, there are 13 bins are there. The space is for 7 bins. So totally it contains 20 bins. Okay. But in our graph only we contains 13 bins only. If in case we have bins, it automatically display in this chart. Okay. So if you are using 100 bins, say it displays for 100 bars. Okay. We can implement the bar here also, depends on the given inputs. Okay. Have you clarified what is bins? So 20 bins, we have to implement the bar chart including this 20 bins only, but I included 13 bins here, depends on the input. Guys, do you have any doubts in this cell? Kindly ask me. Then only you have to understand the another topics. Is Alkan Gautam? Do you have
No,
any
was
doubts in this codings? Yes, it's very easy topic. So come to next one. So here they are asking the marital status. So just listen. So marital status value count means, so it calculate the marital status count. You just see married person has 855 members are there, and singles are 470 members are there, and totally I think eight categories are there in married status, right? So eight category. So in the all the eight categories is converted as a bar chart. You can see the majority is 855 members are married, and the lowest is I think alone is below 10, right? So alone, and widow is below 100, right? So see, this is the value count, and the next one is figure size. The 8 is width and 5 is height, and the plot function which helps to, you can give anything, bar, or you can give pie chart. It returns as a pie chart if you are give. Okay, so yes, bar is enough now. So the color is orange, and you know what is title, X label, Y label, and the X means in what are the values in X-axis. It rotates as a rotation degree. So if it is 45, it rotates. So if it is 90 degree, so it rotates as a 90-degree angle. Okay. So if you are given as a 30 degree, so it rotates as a 30 degree. Check, all are in 30 degree, right? If it is zero, rotation is zero, it's in normal. Do you have any doubts in sticks, guys? Sticks function?
can,
Hmm?
can you please repeat that point again by changing
So
the degrees?
sticks function means it rotates all the values in x-axis. If you're 90, you just imagine in your school days you are using protector, right? So in protector scale has 90 degree means what? It's as a vertical line. So just to see, now see the all the married together and single divorce widow are in
Okay, then
45 degree. Here if I given 90, so it all are rotate as a 90 degree.
got it.
Yes, and Alka.
Yes, got it.
Hmm. And the next one is the grid axis Y means in what Y axis have we have a horizontal line. So this is called axis equal to Y. Why we are using Y without using S? What it happens while using X? Have you understood this graph? Have you have you easily understood this
Hmm,
graph? Yeah.
the
So
place and the area has been divided into the bars.
yes. So if this is easy to understand the bar chart. So this is above 800 and this is above 200, right? Do you have any doubts in this cells, guys? Is Alka?
No.
Yeah. The next one is, DF columns means it display returns all the columns. So the income column has beginning and ending has a space. So what we do means, first we have to using strip method we can remove the income column. So then only you can use without beginning and ending spaces. Have you got my point? First of all, we complete the strip method, and the income we can directly use as a beginning and ending. We have no spaces. And comes to next one. Yesterday I told, right. So the income is in string. We have to string replace dollar to empty. Guys, I tell you later. Okay, what is regular expression false? I tell you later. So just see, string replace the dollar to empty, and string replace the comma to empty. So and as a convert as a float. This is one of the format we can directly convert as a float. Okay, yesterday you have another format, right? Guys, do you have any doubts in these two lines of code?
No further.
And the next one is so this is income column should be greater than 1,000 and less than 1,50,000. So we can give as a variable as a filter. It's enough filter or clean we can give. Just the figure function is the height and width and height, and the next one is scatter plot. So scatter plot means it displays as a point. So it displays as a point. Okay, so this is a scatter plot. So here I am filtering the income. Here I am filtering the amount of wine spending, and the alpha is 60 percentage. Guys, what is the answer of 60 divided by 100? What is the answer? 60 divided by 100.
0.6.
Yeah, 0.6. And its the color is green. Guys, if I given highest weightage, if I given 100 percentage, the scatter plot will change into dark. Just to check, all are in dark green, right? Transparency. So the alpha is transparency of the graph. Have you got my point? Guys, now I given
Yes.
one as a 100 percentage, right? So green color should be in 100 percentage. If I given 60 percentage, it transparency to better visibility. Just a minute. If you runs again, we will get an error. It means we can already converted. Yes, we will remove the using strip method. We remove the income column, right? Okay, so for we have to run from starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's wait a minute. Okay, so the next one is bar chart. So you can easily understand this how many persons spending amount of wines, fruits. They are only less amount of wine, sorry, fruits, and they are majorly spend in wine only. So this is the average. So guys, what are the columns do you want? You just give the name and stored as a variable, and now is stored as a new column. It means mean function. Mean function helps to average value. So we can easily calculate the average value and store into average spend variable. So you can directly plot as a bar chart is enough. You can give bar and pi. Depends on client's recommend, guys. So okay, if the client needed, you have to impress your client. Okay, so you can give as a any graph. At least you have to impress your clients. Okay, so the next one is figure size. You already know, and the plot functions helps to you can give the kind of plot and the color. And the next one is title and X table and Y label. So do you have any doubts in this cell, guys? Do you have any doubts? Just ask me. If you have any doubts, just ask me. Is what happened? Why you are making silence?
Nothing from my side.
Okay. And what about Alka?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Just work out to do the coding, guys, then only you have to understand. Okay, so the next one is plot function. So we directly give the data and the value count. So I'll display the one. Just a minute. So the value count means what it happened. So 7 times they are visiting 7 times, and 8 times 340 members are visited. So you have to change into ascending order. So we will give sort index means it automatically display. You can easily see. So zero time visit 10 members are visited as a zero time, and 149 members are visited as a one time, and 199 members are visited as a two times. So you can easily draw the graph using, and this is the marker point. Whatever you can give. If you are given as a star, the output will display as a, the point will display as a star. Okay, so if you are using capital, once again capital P, so it returns as a plus. Okay, so if you are using small p, it returns as a pentagon. Okay, if you are using capital H, it displays as a hexagon. Guys, there are many markers are there. I think this one is enough for us. Small zero, not small zero, small o. Okay. Do you have any doubts in this cell, guys? Hmm?
No, sir.
No, for me.
Okay. So in this recording, I'll complete by Matplotlib. So then I'll teach C1. Just a minute. I think there are 4 or 5 graphs on only in Matplotlib. It's enough.